going to be an all-tone test of the Gentex GOS-24-15 WR. Nope. This is the full model number, if you can see that. This is going to be kind of a stop and start kind of thing, where I basically turn off the, well, how I'm going to do this is basically like I'm going to do each tone, and then like when I change out the tones, I stop the camera and then turn it back on, if you know what I mean. So this will be set on high volume, by the way, so it's going to be technically very loud. And it's also going to be on strobe only and strobe and horn operation, aka 2 wire. So we'll begin, and this will be short for each test. So in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now let's get on to the next tone. That, by the way, was 800 hertz continuous. So this next one is temporal, 800 hertz temporal. Alright, let's get on to the next one. This next one is 2400 hertz continuous. Yikes, that's very high pitched. Alright, next one. This one is 2400 hertz temporal. Still very high pitched. Next one. This one's probably the most pleasing out of the three. This one is Chime, but mind you, it is on high volume, so let's see. Yeah, that is very loud on high volume, by the way. But on low volume, it's not bad, so yeah. This next one is slow whoop, and this one I'm probably going to do very quickly, because it's annoying, but here we go. Goodness gracious. Alright, this next one is called 800 hertz slash 10,000 hertz alternating, but this was basically high-low, by the way. Or as some people would say, low-high, because that's what it sounds like. So here we go. That was a lot slower than I was expecting, but okay. Alright, so for the final one, this is Siren. Also called 600 hertz slash 600 hertz slash 12,000 hertz. 1200 hertz. I'll show you the manual in a moment. So, here we go. Yeah, that one I was going to be quicker because, goodness, that is annoying. So, we want a little longer here. There. So thank you guys for watching. This is, again, has been the all-tone test of the Gentex GOS-24-15 WR. Again, you can confirm it right there. Come on, please. There you go. So, That's the device, and before I go real quickly, I just want to mention this. So how I did the tones exactly is, here's the jumpers. There's 3 jumpers right here. Now, this is what's interesting about the Gentex GOS, and I'll just mention this now because I might not mention it in the fire alarm review, which is the next video with this device. This is how you do them. You actually do them by removing the jumpers. So right now, like there's no jumpers right now. But for example, I put in, so the do it default is to have all the jumpers in there. So like if I were to put in J1 jumper right now, that would mean J2 and J3 is removed, which means it would be on 800 hertz / 1000 hertz alternate. And that's Siren, by the way, when I was trying to mention that. So it's 600 hertz / 1200 hertz. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.